Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you a new video, part 8 in Kitchen and Cooking Vocabulary series. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to learn some new words. Let's begin. Introduction. In this video, we'll learn more important words you need for cooking and baking, like tools and cooking methods. Garnish. To decorate food with attractive and edible additions. Whip. To beat the ingredients rapidly to make them light and fluffy. Appetizer. A small dish served before the main course. Confit. Food cooked slowly in its own fat. Caramelize. To cook food, especially vegetables or sugars, until it develops a sweet brown flavor. Fillet. To remove the bones from fish or meat. Glaze. To coat food with a glossy finish. Reduce. To thicken a liquid by boiling it down. Steep. To soak ingredients in a liquid to extract flavor. Slice. To cut food into thin, flat pieces. Render. To melt fat from meat or poultry. Casserole dish. A large deep dish used both in the oven and for serving food. Pyrex baking dish, an oven-safe dish made by the Pyrex brand that is intended for baking. Shred, to tear or cut food into thin strips. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the culinary world, and as always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget before you go to share and like the video. See you next time. Peace out.